we're doing a little tragically hippie Rudolph. You got dancers, prancers, vixens, Comet and Cupid and Donald and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very runny nose. And if you ever saw him, you would even say good. All of the other reindeer used to clap and call a name. They never let poor Rudolph play in any reindeer game. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Woo! Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out in glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you go down in history. Ooh, thank you, Rudolph. Thank you, Gordy. We miss Gordy. Makes me a little sad. Christmas time. Have a great day.